Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I can show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So firstly, you need to open your settings application, then scroll down and find here accessibility feature. Here choose Talkback and click use Talkback.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen.
Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.